Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Harig 6x12 hand feed surface grinder, super clean machine, all original paint, came out of a high school. Just in the back, there's where they drilled a hole and mounted something on it. There's a couple little chips in the paint, but aside from that, that's it. Machine only barely has 5 thousandths backlash in the cross feed. The lighting isn't the best, but under the table there, you can see it's a cable rack, and all the scraper marks are perfectly sharp. Spindles in these machines are nice and quiet. Walker 6x12 permanent magnetic chuck. Currently wired for 460 volt. Well, you can wire them for low voltage. Usually in these you got to change the switch because the switch has built-in heaters on it. It's a manual start. Barely hear that spindle. It's nice and smooth and quiet. You see the oil up in the window in the head, on the top of the column. Cable's real smooth, back and forth. In and out. Like I said, barely 5 thousandths backlash. All the paint's on the saddle. A couple little dings from people dropping things on it, but aside from that, nice clean machine. We have 2 of these available, both out of the same school. The only difference between them is the switch, the on-off switch. But you can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.